security in the whole world. And we are tired of dying and nothing has changed. So we are here today to demand total security reform. I quote that 80% of Nigeria's police force are bodyguards for the wealthy in this country, for the cabal. This is intolerable. He said within a few hours that he has to consult President Buhari about it. Initially he said they are going to come back immediately. He said order for them to come back. The next thing he said, it is difficult. So I'm going to have to, it's a tough thing I have to discuss with Buhari. After discussing with Buhari, he said it's going to happen in 2 weeks. On this 2 weeks, when 2 weeks hits, you can tell us if we are wrong. Bodyguards for the cabal carrying umbrellas and cleaning their shoes. We already have a 2 slim police force, and you have this information better than we do. We already have 2 few police, not enough. And out of that under-policed state that we are, 80% are bodyguards for the wealthy. We are left with 20%. Out of that 20%, half of them do toll gates. They collect money from us on the street. I was driving here, they say, oh, they're waiting there for Salah. We have traveled, all of us, to several countries in the world. There is no country in the world where police do toll gates, where they beg. Police should never be begging. In New York, police are called New York's finest. They are dignified. They have a good salary. But our senators, our legislators, our executives swallow so many allowances, and our police force, our police are left under police. When we protested some time ago, I met with the commissioner of police. He said, the reason why we have not arrested the people involved in justice for Kwara 5 people massacred by police in Kwara State. Now the reason is because we have little resources. A report said 1,000 naira is given to each police station for petrol every week. You guys do not have correct guns. You don't have correct shoes. You don't have motivation. So out of our police, how many percent are left to secure us? That is why we are the most terrorized country in the world. It's not rocket science. That is why we have the most kidnapping in Nigeria. We have the most high-sea piracy in Nigeria. We have the worst Boko Haram terrorism in Nigeria. We have the worst cattle terrorism and farmer terrorism in Nigeria. Police should be redeployed, the 80% from the Kabbalah. I believe, sir, that you honorably agree that the 80% should be brought back and the Kabbalah should hire private bodyguards. That will create employment for our youth. Yes. That will create employment. Our police can no longer be cleaning shoes of
yes, sir. Enough is enough.
They cannot be cleaning shoes and carrying umbrella.
Enough
we need our police. We need better welfare.
We the Nigerian Youth Progressive Alliance are striving for that. Enough is enough.
Today, SARS went to Ajasi University, Ondo State, and harassed and beat up or killed 20 of our university students. But Boko Haram are praying in Sambisa Forest. SARS need to go after headsmen. We need police attached to headsmen to protect them and stop their cows from entering the farm and stop the farmer from killing and stealing their cow. Yes. It's just common sense. That is why we are here today, sir. We want absolute and total security overall. We've waited for how many years since Nigeria was founded? This is the only country in the world where this happens, and we are not taking it anymore.
Yes. Police welfare to be the matter should be addressed.
Maybe I can talk to you.
Thank you, sir.
So, what do I call the group?
Concerned Nigerians.
Police that's all of them. Yeah, masses, poor masses.
Okay, the masses standing for Nigerian asking for security overhaul. The General Police have considered it very, very pertinent that whoever has an opinion put across, normally he will attend to them. And because of his inability to attend, he has asked me to come and speak with you. I've heard you all. Number one, I want to let you know that the policing of today, as it is now, is not the policing that is known a year ago. And you discover that there's a very, very big gap between the period you're talking about and now. You've requested for security for the citizens of this country, but not selected. You are aware that the process has not even ended. You are aware that we cancelled, the General Police held a world press conference with all the commissioners of police, including me, who is the operation head of the Nigerian police. And he said loud and clear that all security details given to individuals were revoked and all applications must come in fresh. There are a huge number that we've harvested from them. And we're very sure that unless activities that tend to affect the economy of this country, activities that do not give protection, those individuals will not be able to perform, and one by one They were all assessed, and if there's anybody that is going, if you look at it, there is an enhancement, and that's why the BH, the Boko Haram people, you've never seen them here. You've seen it all. It is the effort of the police, the military, and other security agencies that we have said no more. So please, I want you to get it right, in as much as I know you want to air your views, and that's why we're here. I will not defend, but I will tell you the truth. If you arrange for the IG to come and address you and tell you what is happening, or send any of us to come and represent him, we will tell you what is happening and we will take you to where it is happening. And I will give you records of how many people have been taken out from the individuals that do not deserve them, who does businesses that has no bearing on the teeming population. We have done that. And I think we deserve to be a little bit recognized and the general police. I've seen all this. I want you to follow us. I want you to stand with us. I want you to also give credit to where we have excelled.
Yes, sir.
And to tell us where we have.
Yes, sir.
And I want you to work towards that. Very just, good assessment. Applaud where you want to applaud. You see my PRO standing here?
Yeah.
We kept educating you every day. We want you to know what is happening. No matter how highly placed, whoever you are, if you are caught or you have something to do with anything, will bring you.
Saraki has not been arrested, but you charged him. You said Saraki was guilty. You said it, not me. So why has he not been arrested? Would I not be arrested if it was me?
Don't worry, there's a process.
There's no process, sir. Police do not announce charges. They arrest first, then charge to court, then the person is released on bail. That's the process. We cannot make a new law. Police SARS went to Ajasi University today and beat up 20 students in university. They acted first. Is Saraki above the law?
One person
Let's be honest,
cannot soil the name of the police. Another one person cannot make the difference.
Is he above the law, sir?
You just follow us. We have.
Why have the Shiites been proscribed? The Igbos have been proscribed, but the terror headsmen, the terrorists running, have not been proscribed. We have to be honest with ourselves here.
Why have we
not been proscribed? Let's be honest here. We can't lie to everybody here.
Yeah, if you want to know some details,
yes,
it will not be here. You can do a selection and meet the IG, and I'm sure you'll be satisfied.
Why do we have soldiers on our streets?
They are
soldiers are not allowed on our
streets.
streets. Constitutionally, they should be behind you.
They are trying to kill and destroy.
You guys are in front of police and civil defense.
Now we have some issues.
There are lots of issues, sir. Let's be honest to ourselves.
Can you write and can we have a selection of the individuals that you hear from the horse's mouth? The IG is prepared to talk with you. We will talk with you and we will trash all those things. And we like this opinion that are diverse and distort. We will correct some of the things that have been distorted.
Yes.
Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
And sincerely, it's because of the love that the IG have for this youth. Even if you are 3, this DIG or the IG will listen and send any of these DIG like myself. I want to stand with you. If you are talking about the SARS, I've told you, open a portal. Anybody that has come in touch with SARS negatively,
we have a member.
let us know.
They beat him up, they arrested him, and he had to pay wrongfully.
The civil rights group, we're forming something. There's a portal already that will go. We want those names. We have a very well-defined methods of appropriating punishment to our men.
Yes, sir.
That's the police. We don't compromise and we will not compromise. We're your face. Don't mind some of the distortion.
Yes, sir.
And we say, without you, we cannot succeed.